Hi, I'm Ben Nault. Today we're going to walk you through the steps of the Environment Master's Priority 1 maintenance program. We're going to explain what to expect and why priority maintenance is so important. Maintenance can't prevent all repairs, but it can catch small problems before they become big problems. Your water heater, for instance. Most tank water heaters last between 10 to 13 years, depending on your city's water quality. If you discover a leak at the bottom of the heater, this is typically caused by years of sediment building up at the bottom of the tank. Eventually, this sediment causes corrosion and creates pinhole leaks, which can lead to a major leak. But regular plumbing maintenance means that your tank is flushed annually, keeping sediment from forming and causing damage. This can add years to the lifespan of your water heater. A leak in your water heater not only costs you money, it's also inconvenient and causes damage with the potential to be very dangerous. If your water temperature is set too high, the water pressure is too high, or the relief valve is broken, the pressure could build up and cause the tank to explode. Also, if the leak is due to a corroded tank or pipe, your water could absorb bacteria and rust, as well as potentially harmful chemicals. And of course, what we're all afraid of, that your tank develops a sizable leak and empties 40 to 65 gallons of water into your home. Maintenance is imperative for tankless heaters as well. Your tankless should be flushed every other year and perhaps more often depending on your city water supply. You will find that your tankless both operates better and lasts longer overall with proper maintenance. A typical tankless water heater should last 20 years when properly maintained. With Environment Master's maintenance plan, we cover all your plumbing fixtures, including the kitchen sink. Because the faucet aerator is similar in function to a filter, bits of dirt and other debris can build up around the openings and cause the water stream to redevelop the pressure issues that were fixed by the aerator. These contaminants also impact the taste and smell of your water by steadily leaching into the water system. Environment Masters also flushes your disposal with BioClean to rid your sink of odors that come from waste that sticks to your disposal wall and slowly molds and rots. Yuck. We check for any leaks because even a slow drip wastes 7 to 10 gallons of water a day. Here's a surprising fact. Only 1% of the Earth's water is usable as drinking water, which means your leaky faucet or running toilet has a negative impact, not just on the wallet, but on our Earth. The average leaky toilet can waste 200 gallons of water per day. That's over 6,000 gallons a month for just one leaking toilet. Truly flushing money down the drain. Why do we check hoses on your washing machine? Washing machine hoses are one of the most common causes of catastrophic water damage in homes. That's because rubber hoses often lose their flexibility over time and are subject to cracks, leaks, bubbling, and bursting. In most cases, in residential homes, water will pour out from a break like this at approximately 650 gallons per hour. Priority 1 plumbing maintenance. Stop wasting water, add years to your water heater's lifespan. Improve your home's water quality, and maybe most important, you'll lessen the chance of being surprised by major water damage. An extra perk of membership, you'll get a 10% discount on repairs, parts, and labor, and you'll go to the top of the list if you need to do repairs, just by being a Priority 1 member. Environment Masters. Family owned for 3 generations. Hassle-free plumbing and AC.